where you going?
Hi, Abby. We in the snow? Yeah, where's Dada? Go find Dada. Go find him. Where's Dada? Let's go get him. Should we go together? Come on, let's go. What happened? Again? What do you think? You want to touch it? Is that snow? Snow's cold. Say cheese. You show Dada the snow? Should we throw a snowball at Dada? Yeah? Did we get Dada? I'll throw it. Oh, that blew right back in our face. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What do you think? Here. You want to touch it? No.
Like overnight.
Yeah, it really is.
Hi, are you playing in the snow?
Because it's so cold, you know.
Yeah. She was playing the other day. Called.
Yeah?
She just has a couch right there.
Yeah.
She's looking out the window like smiling on us. It was pretty funny.
Can you say hi, Aubrey? Can you say hi? Being shy, huh?
What do you think of the snow?
Dada.
Dada? Is Dada in the snow?
Mama.
And Mama?
Last time we didn't want anything to do with it.
No, yeah.
It was windier then.
It was, yeah. We took her out earlier. It was the same thing.
Yeah.
Windy. Yeah, we had the camera out too. Like, this is maybe not so smart. Like the snow's blowing and stuff.
Hi!
Are you cleaning the car?
Huh. Are you stuck?
It's pretty thick with stuff. She's a good helper.
Yeah. She is. She likes to help them do the dishwasher and stuff.
Oh yes.